Should I go? Hello and welcome back to my channel. ये दोनों लोग हैं जो आपने पहले देखे हुए हैं. Today we are doing a really fun collab. I think हम लोगों ने इंटरनेट को काफी स्काउट किया था mystery box challenge ढूंढने के लिए. So that's exactly what we're doing today. And it's super exciting because हम 3 जने हैं. So we took the liberty ourselves to increase the budget. So ऐश्वर्या का budget है 5,000 for my gifts and Risha का budget भी है 5,000 for my gifts. So total मिला के हमें मिलता है 10,000 का budget. Ready? अच्छा ठीक है, I'm ready.
But okay, हमने इकट्ठे 10,000 दिए. Like हम दोनों ने plan करके दिए. अलग-अलग gifts लिए.
Oh yes, हाँ sorry.
Yes, the gifts have been planned by all of us. It's a team effort.
It's a team.
And हमारे बीच में लड़ाई भी हो गई थी इसके कारण.
So Shraddha, you better like this.
But this is also we've gift wrapped it in newspaper.
Yes. वो मेरा idea था.
वो इसका I think हमें ये fancy packaging करते तो मजा आता है. Do you want to guess what this is?
नहीं. I am very bad at guesses. मैं नहीं करने वाली.
We've been doing this for so long. Now we just want to tear open and reach our gifts.
मैंने ना पहले टेप निकाली एक, फिर दूसरी टेप में मैं मेरे से नहीं होगा. कलर पेंसिल.
Acting के लिए 500 रुपए काटो पहले.
नहीं, इनको पता है मेरे को बहुत बेतुकी यूजलेस चीजें चाहिए जो मैं शायद अभी इतना यूज भी नहीं कर पाऊंगी. बट I have all sorts of stationery and I am obsessed in a very unhealthy manner with stationery. So every stationery shop I go to, I buy. So इसको देख के मुझे इतनी kicks and I was not. Dude, I was not expecting this.
No, but this is a
very good job.
This is like part 1 of the part of a gift. Like there are 2 parts to this.
Yeah.
This is part 1. This is part 1 of the first gift.
I
think you can guess the second part.
Do I get? Did you get me a coloring book? तुम्हें पता है क्या? मैं बताती हूँ.
We were like anxious, Shraddha. Anxious people need something to calm her down.
Therapy के लिए पैसे नहीं बचे तो सस्ती therapy के लिए
इतनी चीजें खरीदती रहती है ना ये random.
Coloring book कौन सी है?
There's like
Shraddha के
classes are making mandala type patterns
Yes.
that she can fill, and then there's one animal one.
Also,
which
these are
I
adult
personally
coloring
love
books.
animals, so I wanted to get
It has
animal one also.
to. मैं तो उसमें
Yeah.
भी मजा आ रहा हूँ.
एक और भी डाला इसमें दो कलरिंग बुक्स थी और दिस आल्सो गोज विद दिस. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई एम डूइंग लाइक पार्ट 1 टुगेदर. मतलब
मेरी पेशेंस खत्म.
वही तेरी स्केच पेन्स भी थे ना शायद. नो बट these are very
Exactly.
these are like
Big
brush
brush
pens.
Wow.
These are literally like paintbrush pens. I
Guys,
saw
मुझे
them
पता
like
क्या
dude,
लेना
I
है फिर
need
भी
this.
I am also like wowed. Yeah,
हाँ,
the packaging.
obviously.
गिफ्ट खोलने में बहुत मजा आता है. भले किसी हमें पता हो भले क्या गिफ्ट है.
Plus colors make us happy. We're all beauty lovers. Everyone loves stationery. Who doesn't love sex?
Listen, I think beauty
And
blogs
also, if you
started
guys
with
are
these art
interested,
classes.
you can just search for adult coloring books on
Yeah.
Amazon. So Shraddha will put a link below.
We'll do.
also.
पता है क्या करते हैं? हम बताएंगे तो वीडियो बहुत लंबी हो जाएगी. We'll do links.
Choices also.
Exactly.
Budget की वजह से.
Exactly.
We had a bit of leeway.
Wait, यार, बाद में सुन लियो
यार.
Scented नहीं है. Scented
नहीं, blue वाली में smell होती है.
यार मुझे actually ये पेन खोल के देखना है कि इसका brush tip कैसा है.
अपना खोलते
I want to see what they
ये
mean by brush
बनेगी, ये
pen.
आधा घंटे का ब्लॉकबस्टर
Also, आधे घंटे का.
We make 40-minute documentaries. I'm telling you.
Every day.
वो pink.
इसे कैसे पता?
It's like a normal sketch pen, though, na?
it doesn't look like that pen.
Brush pen.
अरे because
Oh yeah, okay, so it's not a felt tip.
It's
अच्छा,
a
I
flexible
love
tip,
that.
yeah.
I love that. जैसे NYX का epic incliner है. हाँ,
that is my
अरे,
favorite
तेरे
liner
चक्कर में
of
पता
life.
मैंने कितना खरीदा है उसको.
That is my favorite liner
मैंने
of life.
फोन किया. सुन, आई शैडो नहीं है. हाथ में तो तूने सोच के है पीछे.
Madam, do you want me to open it for you? Since you're having it coffee.
Okay. हमें पता है हमने क्या लिया है.
Timing, you guys. Oh.
So we wanted to give you something to do with coffee, but then we thought it's very predictable because that is the one thing everyone knows about Shraddha, that she loves coffee. So we thought let's give her coffee, but then she spent so much money on coffee already. I wanted to give her something to improve her lifestyle also. So we decided on a coffee thermos की daily life में
Dude, this is
रोज यूज करेगी और हमें याद करेगी.
हाँ, तुम दोनों की शक्लें मेरे सामने आएंगी अभी. अरे यार, छोड़ो कप में लेके जाती हूँ.
and इसका locker भी है, so like it's leak proof. हाँ.
Oh, this is really good quality.
And वो भी है ना insulated है, so
हाँ,
it'll keep your
it's a
coffee hot. You can
thermos.
travel with it because I know you drive a lot.
Yes,
तो
and I
shoot से पहले
keep shit in my
भरियो
car.
and like
पढ़ो मत ना, देखो ऊपर
अरे यार,
तो
gift
well.
Yeah.
निशा को खुद को बिलीव भी नहीं हो रहा है उसके साइड
कोई ये नहीं है ऐश्वर्या का बड़ा वाला.
Oh,
I have been trying. I've been looking
excited for my video.
This is also another thing we loved. Both Aishwarya
Yes,
and I absolutely loved it.
ये कहाँ से मिला तुम्हें? मैं भी तो देख रही थी Amazon में, मुझे तो नहीं
And
दिखा.
you know, अभी 3-4 दिन पहले श्रद्धा was telling me कि I want to buy a planter or for my background.
So
ऐसे कुछ.
basically that, and I also wanted.
And I was like, please खरीदना ले ये 4 दिन में हमें वीडियो शूट करनी है. Please do not buy a planter.
इन दोनों के लिए I wanted to get real plants also, but both of them have dogs at home, so I didn't know whether it's a
And
good
both of
decision
us
to.
are bad at keeping plants alive.
इसको ऐसे रखो कि उल्टा.
You know, you keep it on
ऐसे
top of
रखोगे.
this like this.
No, no,
Oh,
ऐसे
wow.
ऐसे हाँ ऐसे भी रख सकते हैं,
This
उल्टा
is-
रख सकते हैं I think.
मेकअप रखने वाली हूँ मैं ऐसे.
यार वही तो this does not look like a
A
planter.
lot of
It's
knickknacks
so
and
nice.
palettes and you know like jewelry के लिए भी.
Background में कितना अच्छा लगेगा.
I knew you love it.
Oh यार, this is so cute यार.
इसमें हमने सबसे ज्यादा
हाँ.
मेहनत लगाई है.
बहुत
शायद
मेहनत
मैंने
लगाई है हमने.
बहुत
हमने
search किया अपने
इतने
bag में.
हैंडबैग्स देखे हैं. मुझे अपने लिए शॉपिंग करने के इतने आइडियाज मिल गए ना, अनसॉलिसिटेड आइडियाज that I didn't need.
So
I
there's
got so
one
many
thing
ideas.
we know about Shraddha is that she loves her bags and heels.
On that note, I want to tell you guys something. You will hit me for it. I just recently purchased 4 bags. Luckily, I didn't get this one.
That is so you.
Thank God
That
you
is
didn't
so
get
you.
this one.
Shraddha's house is overflowing with accessories
दो
and
bags
heels
हैं.
and bags and makeup. Makeup
Yeah,
इतनी लेती है.
basically-
Also another thing we decided not to gift each other makeup.
Yes.
हाँ,
because
all of us collectively
Yeah.
decided not to give each other makeup because we are beauty bloggers. We have way too much makeup.
हम खुद ही भूल गए.
मुझे सबके इन दोनों के गिफ्ट्स रटे हुए हैं मेरे को ये क्या क्या है.
तो पैकेजिंग से कैसे याद है?
मुझे पैकेजिंग से
See
भी पता
these
है.
two look the same.
हाँ, ये तो मैं भी कंफ्यूज हो गई हूँ दोनों में से कौन सा है.
गुरुंग लिखा हुआ है. ये वही है. ये वो है.
These are hair bands.
Scrunchies.
So satin scrunchies.
Yes.
Yes. Little tidbits.
ये देखो कितने सारे हैं.
Knickknacks a girl always needs.
Because we all lose our scrunchies.
Exactly.
And
And
ये
they're
wings
such
होते हैं,
pretty
ये कहाँ उड़
colours.
जाते हैं, किसी को पता नहीं चलता
यार
है.
इसमें इतने सुंदर कलर.
Colors बहुत सुंदर है.
मेरे को बुरा भी लग रहा है कि खत्म हो रहे पर मैं बहुत मजा आ रहा है.
दो ही बचे हैं. लेकिन अभी I think the best item is still left.
Yeah. I think we'll give her this in the end.
So I
Guys.
wanted to of course give you something from Karvara. Karvara is my clothing brand. Of course we had to do something from Karvara for you. It's all Christmas themed. Red t-shirts है और
I
एक
love-
pajama pants है.
I love my
And you told
collection
me
of
Shrishti
Karvara.
also likes pajama
Yes,
pants. So
yes. Ooh,
these
yeah.
are our pajama pants.
Wow,
Super,
it's
super
such a soft
comfortable,
material.
I have the ones
Wow.
in brown. मैं black भी लेने के चक्कर में थी.
I wear these out also. Like
हाँ,
they are
they're very
so
comfortable.
comfortable.
I
to wear.
love
You'll
the
see me
material.
wearing these out of the
घर जाते हुए वापस.
comfortable. Ooh.
Then we have red t-shirts because Christmas. This is a Christmas gifting video. And basics are something that we all make. I mean, basics are something that we love to make. So
Ooh,
this is a
yes.
V-neck, and
Oh,
then we
yes.
have a keyhole.
Love.
कपड़े भी मिल गए, हैंड
कौन
बैग
से
भी मिल
दे
गए,
पहले?
कलरिंग बुक्स भी मिल गए.
Coloring books पे तो मैं दिमाग
वो
में
लास्ट
खराब
में
हो
देना
गया.
चाहिए, I
ठीक है.
think. वैसे ये दोनों बहुत सही है.
I know.
Both
One of
of
our
these,
favorites.
we've kept like the star.
We love everything
Not
वैसे
everything
तो.
वैसे तो यार. हाँ, but the handbag was also so good. पेन की बैठ गई.
Again, something we both instantly
Yeah,
like.
instantly. Like this was instant love.
क्या मेरे गोवा के कपड़े क्योंकि मेरे को कपड़े नहीं मिले.
It's an overall.
It's an overlay shrug
It's
situation.
cute.
So we wanted to give you a dupatta, but then
Yeah.
Lisha found this and I was like, oh my god, this is perfect.
It
looks nice.
It's a shrug and it's a dupatta.
It's
and this is
surprisingly going so well.
एक
with
बात
this
बताओ.
And her earrings look good with everything.
सुनो एक बात बताओ. This would look so hot over a bikini.
Yeah.
I got a black
this could
bikini.
easily
That's
be like a
super-
bikini cover up as well.
And then the mirror work also, na. This is something like so versatile. We felt you can use it with Indian wear,
Yeah.
even
You know I love Indian wear.
Yeah, she
She likes
loves
Indian.
layering, so I just felt she could do so
Yeah,
much.
मजे
So much. with
आ
this.
गए. Okay, last gift.
Last gift. I think we've kept the best for
The
the last.
best for last.
Hopefully she
The
likes it.
star
ये थोड़ा
item.
सा risky item है.
And this literally came today.
Yeah.
Today. Before we started filming this video.
मैंने
We were so on time with this.
बहुत भैया को तंग किया डिलीवरी वाले भैया को. Thank you so
Delivery
much.
वाले भैया was so
For
sweet.
coming through. नहीं तो शायद श्रद्धा को आज मिलता नहीं वीडियो में.
Oh, ये मेरे बहुत
You like it? पक्का? Or is it for the grab?
No, I
We know you like
swear.
mules.
It's beautiful. I love mules. I love heels, but
And
nude heels are like, and I don't have nude heels, like nude heels.
And also
I have the
it's
straps. Khali.
Glam and blingy with
Yeah.
the bling and all with the
It's
stone.
Oh, these shoes actually look really nice with
beautiful.
this also, na?
Aishwarya is so on.
We got
Aishwarya is like
basics and
so
versatile,
perfect.
like
सब अभी
bang
क्या
on.
भी पहन
ये देखो मैं सॉक्स अच्छे नहीं है बट शूज अच्छे हैं.
यार मैं बोल तो रही हूँ, हम लोग अर्बन पुअर लोग हैं. हमारे को कमी खत्म ही नहीं हो रही. Thank you. This is so nice. सुनो, आप ना अगर आपको रोमांच देखना है और तो ये वीडियो तो आप देख ही रहे हो जिसमें हाई एंड लोस चल रहे हैं. हाई से चल रहा है एक्चुअली. जो 2 आगे वीडियो आएगा और जो chaos आप इनके चैनल्स पे देखोगे, यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाई वी आर सो हैप्पी. बिकॉज मतलब again the whole point is I'm very happy because I rarely get like gifts that I am very impressed by. मेरे को है problem, I can't help it.
Good job, Aishwarya.
Only because I
Well done,
I
Lisha.
think a lot about gifts basically. So they have done a very very good job and thank you so much.
pleasure.
मतलब ये मैंने फर्स्ट वो कलर पेंसिल देखे थे ना, मैं उसी टाइम से हवा में हूँ, खुश हूँ. बिकॉज ये ऐसी चीजें
काफी
जो-
बिल्डअप लिया हमने कलर पेंसिल से
हाँ,
स्टार्ट किया और
हाँ,
शूज पे खत्म किया है.
I think we started at the
हाँ.
right note.
Right note.
But you did because gifting is personal, right? So if you hit the first note like correct with me, मैं उस टाइम से मेरे को अगर ये 2 चीजें देते 50 चीजें देते, मेरा ऐसे ही रहता खुशी. मेरे को वो बढ़े जा रही. तो yeah, I'm gonna link इन दोनों के channels. I'm gonna link their Instagrams. I'm gonna do the same with mine. सारे products के we will put links, so you don't have to worry about anything. I hope you guys like this format. हमें बहुत मजा आया. Hopefully
बहुत मजा आया. Hopefully उनको भी देखने में आया.
exactly. And January से you will see more and more of Lisha and Aishwarya. मैंने दोनों का हाथ गलत रखा, but I know who is who. So इन दोनों का चैनल पे देखने वाले हो बहुत ज़्यादा. We're going to do more and more collabs. To
Yes.
2022 I think is going to be a
Collab
lot.
year.
A lot
The
of
year of collabs.
yes.
That's what we're aiming for. So
Yes.
comment below and tell what kind of collabs also we should do.
Comment below and
हाँ,
ask
give
us
us
to get
ideas.
our shit together. Tell us that बेटा काम कर लो, हद हो गई है अभी. So yeah, that is it for today's video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and I'm very thankful. I'm very happy. Go watch them videos. चलो bye.
Bye.
हमने ले
क्या करूँ, कुछ दिखाऊं?
कुछ Instagram के लिए
Influencers in the wild.
एक Instagram के लिए ले लेते हैं.